We're going to Vegas, and it's my birthday. HeadshotMania 2 is coming to you in Vegas, people. We're gonna be at the SLS from the 19th to the 22nd of February. The opening party is my 50th birthday party. You gonna come hang with me? Everybody is gonna descend on Vegas, and we are gonna have 3 special days for you to help skyrocket your career.
It's so cool to see how this community comes together and supports one another and pushes each other forward.
If you are a photographer that has photographed people, or you wanna start photographing people, and you haven't added headshots to your plate, then this is for you.
Peter teaches not only about photography, but it's also about life and setting your goals and how you can become successful.
We are not only gonna give you technical know-how, we're gonna hit you with marketing, we're gonna hit you with sales, we're gonna hit you with goals and inspiration and motivation, and you're gonna leave with all the tools that you need to succeed.
All the different parts and pieces of running a photography business, period, whether headshots are your primary or not.
You know this is the biggest conference for headshot photography in the world, but we've got a limited number of seats. You want to get in there and get your spot. Make sure you book your room in the SLS, because not only will you get a swag bag, but we have some other goodies, and you'll be hanging with the crew. Everybody's going to be there.
And I'm so excited to come to HeadshotMania, mainly to see my friends. People who are friends that I've never met before in person. It was awesome.
Just a really solid, positive community.
It's just been so amazing. So I'm really, really grateful.
2020 in February in Vegas at the SLS. Game on, HeadshotMania 2. Shebang! Be there. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. I'm turning 50. It's my birthday. I'm partying with the crew at HeadshotMania 2 for my birthday.